Hey ho, I'm back from the weekend. Was working, but just didn't manage to send any updates. So what was I doing? I was trying to figure out how to verify the cloned hypercores. So when we are receiving data from the hoster, we want to verify if the data that we are receiving is valid. So I was playing a little bit around trying to figure out how will we do this. And I was basically trying out this function first to get a signature from the feed and then to verify a signature. So basically passing a signature and the index of a feed and trying to figure out if it's valid. But it was failing. So here I have an example of the original feed and then a cloned feed. And if I do this for every chunk in the original feed, it verifies without a problem. But in the clone feed, it just didn't work. And I figured out that in the clone, you only get the last, so the root chunk. You get a signature for the root chunk, but not for others. Others are not correct. So you cannot verify with these other signatures. So what was recommended was to use the audit function. So this is this one. So you basically run clone or just like clone feed, however you call it, .audit, and it will basically tell you how many chunks are valid and how many are invalid. So I tried out this in this demo. And for the original feed, I'm still using the signatures and looping through. But I commented out this for the clone. So I'm not trying to get and verify the signatures, but I'm just running audit and I get this response. So there's no error. There is 3 valids and 0 invalid. And I do have only 3 chunks. So this is one thing. And yeah, while doing this and trying it out also in our code, I then stumbled upon an interesting bug. And this is basically the thing that I'm trying to figure out now. So it looks like for certain chunks, when we ask a tester, when we ask a hoster, I'm a little bit tired already. It's very late, so I'm kind of stumbling a little bit with my words. But when we are asking hoster to provide us proof, we mostly get all the data, but sometimes we just get like just an index. And then I have some logs inside of the hoster storage. And it looks like for certain chunks, something gets wrong with storing or retrieving, or something is fishy here. So I think this is going to be something that I will play with tomorrow. Yeah, so this is basically how the work goes. You try to do something and then you discover another bug. So yay. But yeah, I'm very happy that we have this audit function. I think we're going to use this. Have to see how exactly. In the test example, it's not problematic, but here we are having all these temporary hypercores that are used to send the data between all these roles. So now I have to see which one do I even audit. So this is going to be one challenge, and the other one, like to figure out what is this bug doing in our storage. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Have a nice time.